Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use video masking in Filmora. It is pretty easy, so let's get started. First of all, watch this video. I will play this from the beginning. So this effect I have created using the video masking effect. So let's create it once again. So I will delete the effect and I will again put the video clip inside the timeline or on the timeline. Now we need a duplicate layer of the same video clip. So I will simply right click and duplicate. So we have two similar or same video clips. So I will hide the bottom layer and I will go to a specific place where the girl. Now first let us see the original video so you will understand. So this is the original video. You can shoot a similar video using your own footage. You can shoot this on your mobile phone or digital camera. So this is the original image and we have created a clone like effect using the video masking option. So I'm going to put this playhead on a specific frame. So this is the frame that I want. So I'm going to split this by clicking on the playhead and I'm going to remove the earlier area. So this area remains. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to turn on the bottom layer and I'm going to find the exact location where the girl crosses the tree. So this is the location that I want, this specific position. I'm going to place the top layer just right here. So as you can see, watch here. First of all, I need to apply the mask. So I will double click and go to basic and mask, then rectangle. Again I need to turn off the bottom layer and you can change the mask size from here or you can change the size from here as well, like so. So I will use this option over here. It's easier, but you can use it from here as well. Now we can apply some feather to make it more realistic. So blur strength, if you increase the blur strength, it will apply feather, as you can see. So this looks good to me. Press OK. Again I will turn on the bottom layer. So this is how it will look. I will show you in full screen. First let me remove the unnecessary area or the remaining area. Again I will go to view and we can watch it in full screen. Play. So this cloning effect we have created pretty easily using the video mask option in Filmora. Now this is only one example. You can do many things, many creative things using this particular technique. So do give it a go. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.